Hello, so welcome back. Today, what has been done? A bit of design, again, a lot of Next.js. So I use motion again to make some animation here to present some countries and some cities. So they are all sorted. Here, search bar to search and geocode the input of the user. So I'll show you directly. For example, if I go and I type par, I'll have a selection of different places. So it's based on the geolocalization, places API from Google Maps. I saw there is alternative to this API, but I need to self-host it, and it's very heavy in terms of gigabytes. So if I'm trying Paris, also it catches the enter key, enter key. So perfect. And if I enter Paris, I'm arriving to the second page. So it's every filter that are available. Culture, nature, market. For now, it's everything that is here, but for the future, there will be improvement on this part for sure. So the display is better also. For now, nothing is clickable. It's just this. So it's the two pages you just saw, and here you can sign in. Perfect. So with Google, and if you sign in, it's supposed to directly take you to the places. So we can see that it's taking you to places, and at this point I didn't finish, because you need to get the research from the other page, or you need to display, if you put login and there is nothing from the other page, he need to display the last research flows that the user asks. So here will be displayed. How is it in the code? Here we have the page. I split the page in two sections. So I put just some kind of boolean here to know in which page am I, because I didn't want it to use React to push to another pages. I wanted to stay in the same pages. So here there is this little component. So we check which if there is localization pages, and if not, the filter pages, because there is just two. So if we go on screen localization search, we can see that there is multiple things. Here there is the search bar. I will show you just in a minute. Here we have the animation with a shuffle array. So here it's very how I call it, all the place. I guess ChatGPT, to be honest, is very practical for those kind of things. So he gave me this list of random places with cities and country mixed, and I'm using an algorithm to shuffle the array, to just shuffle to have something different if we use one of the three, because there is three. So the two here are the same, and this one is different, because we can see that if I'm going back here, we can see the sense that they are going is the same for this one, and this one is different, just to have some effect. Quite good. Perfect. So you motion for this. Here we can go on location search. Location search, it's where I show you the Google Map API from Places API. So it's a new one. I'm using it with my API key, and I'm using to just render the thing inside of a box. So that's it for that. And for the screen location, screen filter selection, we can see that there is a little of code to display everything, and I just improve this part that I also saw. Not this part. I need to remove this filter. Perfect. So I export this from Places, and I put it in another section model. It's like I use it in Spring. So I like to have some component models. It's very useful. So and I need to use it in this context. So I'm using a category. So there is just 3 for now. I asked so I give this to ChatGPT to ask to put full name and category, because I didn't add it and I didn't want to put it manually. So it's very good for that too. Again, there will be more filter, maybe a better. I don't like that there is all the filter here. I would like maybe in the database, or I don't know. Because I know there is also the same thing inside of Spring Boot, and I'm not a fan of repetition. It's very not good. So I think the database would be very good for that. That's it. That's it for that. But yeah, I really need to do that. That's on my to-do list. So I think there is a thing I need to for the place search where we are in slash places. Perfect. Here I didn't do it. I need to implement the same logic that there was in the other one to be able to search for everything. Oh no, there is nothing. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this little follow-up. If you have any question, anything that come into your mind, don't hesitate. Give me your feedback, give me everything. And yeah, see you on the next one. Tschüss.